Is our planet getting hotter, faster? This million-dollar question finally has an answer. Unfortunately, that answer is yes. If you're not Donald Trump, you are going to believe what I am about to tell you, so don't scroll away. The Earth warmed by about zero point 0.2 degrees Celsius per decade between 1970 and 2015. Then between 2015 and 2025, it warmed by 0.35 degrees Celsius, a staggering 75% jump. The study behind this finding also noted that the 1.5 degrees Celsius global warming limit was previously expected to be breached sometime in the 2030s. However, if the current rate of warming continues, that threshold could be crossed before 2030. But not everyone agrees. A professor at the University of Pennsylvania says there is no evidence of a genuine acceleration over the past decade. He argues that the recent heat spikes were largely driven by El Nino, a natural climate cycle. He does admit, however, that the planet has been warming at a roughly constant rate since the 1970s, and in his own words, that's bad enough. He further stated that warming will continue until carbon emissions reach zero. Despite growing scientific consensus and the very real, deadly consequences of a hotter planet, there is an alarming backlash against climate action worldwide. Now, do you actually feel the impact of climate change in your daily life? Because we have data on that too. One in every six people worldwide felt a strong climate change influence every single day over the last 3 months. A report titled Heat and Beyond Impacts of Extreme Weather over the past 3 months found that while India, on the whole, experienced fewer heat impacts than many other countries, recorded just 6 days at level 2 climate status, several Indian cities told a very different story. Srinagar was the worst affected, recording 60 days with a CSI plus 2 rating, meaning temperatures were effectively double due to climate change. Thane and Navi Mumbai recorded CSI plus 2 for 18 and 70 days respectively. Several cities across Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh also recorded CSI plus 2 for 11 to 16 days. And according to India Meteorological Department data, North and West India are facing unprecedentedly intense heat this March as well. So, do you feel it? Is climate change impacting your life? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Your perspective is crucial in our collective journey to fight climate change.